Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. Do you have hair ties? Do you want to keep them organized? Well, stay tuned and I'll show you a simple way of doing it so you can keep those hair ties organized. So basically what you're going to need is a key ring and a zip tie. The zip tie is not actually locked in there, it's actually in the opposite direction, so it actually still slides. Make sure it's fairly long zip tie, and basically what you're going to do is make a lark's head knot. So like so, and like that. And basically, in a nutshell, that's how easy it is. And you can see that I have some more on here right now. Put this one on, and so forth and so forth. Like so, and basically tighten it up and put it on there. You can actually also do this with Ranger bands, rubber inner tubes to a certain degree, and to a certain degree you can do this with normal rubber bands, elastic bands. I can hang this up, and if I want a hair tie for whatever reason, let's say I want this blue one right here, as easy as that, and I can use it. Oh, okay, now I'm done with it. Put it back on, put that lark's head knot back on, and bang, it's done. So if you enjoyed this video, hit me on a thumbs up, and let me know if you use hair ties at home, or Ranger bands, or rubber bands. Because something like this might be a good idea. It's nice and slim. I can easily pack this if I wanted to. So as the world changes so much oneself to reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next video for me, it's peace out from the guy that's thinking outside the box. That's in creation mode 98.6% of the time. It's peace out from you know who, Creative Redundancy, and I'll catch you all next time. Later.